So you have mastered the present perfect and now you're interested in the present perfect progressive. So let's check it out. What does it work like? It's has have plus been plus an ing form. It's has or have, but you'll see that when we look at the examples. So number one, he has been taking a shower. So it's he, so he, she, it, third person. Then it's been, it's actually the word been that will always appear. And then the ing form, in this case of the verb to take, taking a shower. Another example, we have, here it's not third person singular, so there it has to be have been eating a burger. So has, have plus been plus ing form, that should be clear. Now, when do you use it? Generally, if you need the present perfect, so that should not be a surprise. And the progressive part of it, if there is an action that you can watch. So there's something going on that you could sit and watch. So this is the present perfect progressive.